Hi guys, in today's video we're taking a look at linear finance and the LINA token. So yesterday I actually bought a lot of LINA tokens because I thought it was going to go up in value simply because it was about to be listed in the Binance exchange. Unfortunately, it did not go as planned, and right now I'm sitting at a sort of loss. Of course, it's not a loss because I haven't actually sold the tokens yet. But anyways, instead of selling it, what I did is a little bit of research on the project, and I've been looking at the project and I think it's actually a really good project. So what I'm going to do is hold those tokens up until they do go up in value. And since I am holding those tokens, I do want it to be earning a little bit of interest. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly how you can earn a little bit of interest on your LINA token. So anyways, I'm on the front page right now and I'm going to go over here to the dashboard. The amount of interest that you will be paid is actually here. So right now it's about 105% APY. So that's annual percentage yield, and it's paid out weekly. I've not been paid, so I'm not exactly sure what the schedule is. I heard somewhere it's every Wednesday, but I do know that they do pay you out once a week. And the great thing about this LINA token is when you stake your LINA token with them, not only are you going to earn this APY, but they will give you back 20% in LUSD, which is their synthetic US dollar. And you can use this synthetic US dollar on their exchange and exchange it for other cryptocurrencies that you think will go up in value, or you can exchange it for gold or silver or other currencies, and we will go through this later on. So anyways, let's start first by getting some LINA tokens. So if you don't have any LINA tokens yet in your MetaMask, you will need to buy. And I use the Binance Smart Chain because it's just cheaper as compared to using Ethereum. So this project, the nice thing is it is cross-compatible, and I've had no problem using it on the Binance Smart Chain. So in order to get some LINA tokens, I'm going to go over to PancakeSwap. You go down to Trade, Exchange, and then on the exchange page, you can exchange whatever token you have available for LINA. So let me just look for LINA right there, and then you go ahead and hit max. So you can exchange it for whatever token you have available. Just remember to leave a balance of BNB inside your wallet simply because this is how you pay for your gas fees. But anyways, I already did exchange yesterday. You can see here that I have already 1,600 tokens of LINA in my wallet. But if you don't have any, if you want to exchange like Binance US dollar or any other currency, go ahead and use PancakeSwap. Then you press swap and confirm that swap. So I'm not going to press that now. Once you have the tokens inside your wallet, go back to linear finance and we are going to go to builder. So builder is the area in which you can actually change your LINA tokens or stake your LINA tokens for LUSD. So what I'm going to do, no, we've already bought LINA, is we're going to press this build LUSD right here, and it will take us to the page. It automatically connected to my MetaMask wallet. So right here you can see that yesterday I put in 1,267 LINA. So this is already staked, and this is the available balance inside my wallet, this 1,606 LINA. So this is the amount of US dollar that it gave me yesterday, and that is 20% of this staked LINA, depending on how much this is worth. So if we were to do a very quick computation, 1,267.89 LINA times the price of LINA right now, which is about 18 cents, 18.9 cents, that will give us an equivalent of $239. And if I'm going to take 20% of that, it's about 47.9, so $48 if you round it up. And that's how much LUSD. So this is basically just a loan that they're giving me that I can go ahead and use in the exchange. basically you're able to use your money twice. So that's pretty amazing. I really like the fact that they do allow you to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in 1606.8 of LINA, and then that's going to build me 60.6 LUSD. So this is the equivalent of 20% if you convert this into US dollar amount. So the 20% of this US dollar, and one LINA right now is equal to 0.1878 LUSD, or the US dollar. So that's the exchange that it is currently going for. And let's just go ahead and press build now. And I have to confirm the activity with my MetaMask, so it's going to cost me a little bit. Wow, this is really expensive on the gas fees, but anyways, let's go ahead and press confirm. And it's going to now start building the LUSD on the Binance Smart Chain. Oh, I don't understand why it keeps error. Okay, I don't know why my previous transaction gave me an error, but I'm gonna try this time maybe a little less of an amount. So it's gonna be 1.6, it's gonna give me 60 LUSD, and yeah. So you can actually choose down here the Binance Smart Chain fee. If you do wanna pay like a little bit less, you can go ahead and click slow, and that'll make your transaction a little bit slower, but I'm not so sure if it makes much of a difference, but anyways, I will just leave it at the medium, which is the default one. And then I'm going to go ahead and press build now. So again, I have to confirm it on my MetaMask and see what's happening. Okay, so my transaction has been processed, and you will get something like this. So now what we can see, if we just close that off, is that I now have 108.24 LUSD. So let's just close that off. And then the next thing that we can do is go on to the exchange. So just close this builder page, and let's go back to the linear dashboard right here, and we can press up here to go to the exchange, or you can press also over here to go to the exchange, and that should bring up your exchange. Right here you can see all of the different pairs that you can buy with LUSD. So if you want to go ahead and buy ADA because you think that it's going to go up in value, you can spend your USD right here. So this basically means you're selling your USD in order to buy ADA. And don't worry too much about this L. It just means it's a synthetic asset, or it mimics the value of the asset in real life. So whatever the price is of ADA in real life, that's the same price as it is on this exchange. And the interesting thing about this exchange is that they also allow you not only cryptocurrencies, but you can buy commodities as well. So for those of you who want to hold gold and silver in your portfolio, you can do that here. So for instance, if I wanted to buy gold, I just press that gold right here. I can go ahead and press 100%, meaning all of my balance of LUSD, I can exchange it to buy gold. And this is what I meant by you're able to spend, again, the money that you already stake. So not only are you earning interest on your LINA, but you also get 20% back in order to spend on, or to speculate actually, on what you think is going to go up in value. So they also have some currencies if you want to do US dollar against the euro or against the yen. I don't really play currencies, so can't tell you much there. Let's look at the crypto. Right now, Bitcoin has gone down. Oh, it's actually gone up already in value. Earlier today, it was at, I think, around 56.5, which is the price that I got into. Now it's at 58. Let me see if there's something else that I would be interested in buying right now. Let's say BNB, so the Binance coin. If I think that this is going to go up in value, I'm just going to click here on BNB, and I am going to, let's say, stake 50%, so $54, and that is going to buy BNB. So that's going to buy that, and once we press submit order, it's going to go into the MetaMask again. You will have to pay a small fee. So let's just go ahead and hit confirm on that. And these transactions, they do cost a little bit of money, but that money is actually paid out to everybody who is holding and staking the LINA token with them. So that's how they're able to pay out some of the, I guess, dividends, or yeah, just give out some of the money or the money earned back to people who are actually holding the token. So after that has been done, we can go over to this total account value. It's still going to be the same. Basically what we did is we exchanged some of our BNB, and that is the USD value. Actually, it's gone down. Oh no, I'm losing money again. But anyways, it should go back up. Binance coin always fluctuates quite a bit, but when Bitcoin is going up, it also tends to go up. So anyways, this is the value if you add up these two. So that would be the value of my portfolio. And yeah, you can also go to portfolio and check it out from here. So I have already here the LUSD and the LBNB. So that is both there. So that is it for the exchange. Let's go back to the dashboard. And yeah, I just really like this project. I think in general, it will probably go up in value, the coin, if you hold it long enough. And I mean, what's better than actually earning interest on something that's going to go up in value, right? So I do like the fact that they have quite a high APY. This is equivalent to some of the other APYs that I've seen in the yield farming. And then on top of that, they allow you to borrow against what you have staked with them and get back some of it so that you can actually exchange it in the marketplace. So yeah, this is very, very interesting, as well as you can see the number of holders. This has actually gone up quite a bit. Before it was listed on Binance, I think this was only at 19,000 or something, and it is gone up quite a bit. I think that is about it for this video. I've been using the Binance Smart Chain. I'm not so sure if I mentioned that, but they do have a place where you can swap. For instance, if you want to swap from the Ethereum network or the Polkadot network into the Binance network. And right now I am using the Binance network because of course it's a lot cheaper in terms of transaction fees. And you can see that even though I am using Binance, which is cheaper, it was still quite expensive. I think it cost me around $1 in order to exchange my LINA into LUSD, or to build the LUSD for me. So yeah, I can't imagine how expensive that would be using Ethereum. It wouldn't be worth it unless you have a lot of LINA tokens to exchange. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy that. I hope I was able to explain everything. I didn't want to go in too much of the detail because, you know, sometimes we come to these videos and we just really want a fast tutorial rather than explaining all of the concepts and breaking down everything. But if you do like more in-depth explanations, then let me know and I will try to do that in my next videos. Anyways, guys, thank you all again for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye-bye.